Okay, so today we have this, people call it beautiful. I'm not a Mercedes guy, obviously. I think it's a 16 AMG GTS. So it came in because the car had downpipes and the customer wants to put stock exhaust, stock catalytic converters in it. I thought it would be easy. The book is for 12 hours. Yeah, it's taking every minute of it because it's super, super painful to do. Basically, taking them out was super easy because they came out in small pieces. They came right out. To put them on, actually, there is no other way of doing it. You need to take off the drive shaft and the tunnel. This is a torque tube. To take that out, obviously the transmission is to be removed. So I tried, I looked, believe me, I looked and tried and tried. There is no way of cheating the system. So got the transmission loose, got the torque tube down. It wasn't too bad, it's just a lot of process. And then the hardest part was taking the heat shield out. And then pretty much slide both cats in. They just pretty much just hanging right there and they're about to be bolted in place. Not fun, not fun. So basically the customer brought those. I don't know where he bought them, but they're genuine Mercedes. So if the engine was pushed forward at least another inch, it would be no problem whatsoever. But with the torque tube being in the way and the heat shield on top, it's pretty much impossible. I tried everything. What I could have done, could have cut it right here, drop it from the top, and then re-weld it. Yeah, I didn't think about it, but might as well just do it the right way, you know. Now Ben is going to go underneath the car and then kind of guide the cat while I just lay on top of the engine. Put it where you want it.
Which one?
The one it's already in it. No, the other one. This one. The driver's side.
Driver's side.
Yeah. Looks good underneath.
Yeah, it's this passenger one's just barely touching the heat shield a little bit.
Do you wanna like reposition it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I like that better. Oh yeah.
Yeah, this one doesn't look right.
What you mean?
Let me get the screw jack so at least you don't have to hold it. Nope, that's it. See, this one fits perfect. That's why. I hate Mercedes.
What?
Oh, come on, you hate them too.
I don't know, I think my allegiance is actually starting to go in favor towards Mercedes, and now the hatred is going towards Audis.
Hey Ben,
Uh-huh.
so I'm gonna tighten this one because this one is perfect. I have to loosen this.
Okay, and then we'll just like jiggle it from
Yeah,
Okay.
because look at that. So let me just do this first.
Oh yeah, it needs to kind of twist a little bit.
Yeah. I think I broke my finger.
You're a mechanic, you can fix it.
Yeah. Duct tape?
Yes. I'm getting the bolt started now.
Okay.
Uh,
Still looking good?
yeah.
Or do I need to loosen it?
No, it looks good. I'd say so.
All right. Nice. So basically everything is done from the bottom. There is only 2 covers to put back. I'm not gonna do them yet until I start the car, make sure everything is fine. All I got left is the oxygen sensors, and this should be it. Making sure everything is fine. But yeah. Our next vehicle for today, after the AMG GTS, today we're gonna work on this Cayenne. It's 2011, I think, with a V8 twin turbo. It's got a pretty good leak, coolant leak underneath the intake manifold. The part is not too bad, it's just getting to it. I mean, we have to pull the intake out. It is a coolant breather, or like a vent hose. I've done them many times, but again, intake has to come out. Right there. Right there. Voila. Right here.
Oh, did it just slip off?
I mean, I barely touched it, it just broke.
It just slipped.
Yeah. So intake, like I said, it's super easy to come out. About to take the fuel rail out because there is no way to fish it under, because I mean there's no room. Like I said, so far everything is super easy. Broken right here, broken right here. Now we need to fish out whatever is broken right here. Hopefully a 90-degree pick will do. There it goes. Actually, I'm not going to tighten it yet. So I do the hose clamp. Ta-da! This is it. Basically what we got left, just put the intake back, put all the plastics, put antifreeze, and ship it to the next one. So just changed the oil in it, got fresh oil, which was pretty much brand new. That means the car probably set for a while, but about to start it right now and see how good it sounds. Not bad at all. Would I ever do them again? Probably not. Usually people go the other way, they take the cats out and put downpipes, but so I hope you enjoyed the video. That's it for today. Please subscribe if you haven't, and have a great day. Thank you.